Hi everyone, I'm Alex Gotch and I'm a Director at Beacon Legal. I'm going to give you 6 tips today to successfully negotiate your pay review. So at most law firms, your salary review will commence a few days after your performance review. It's important to be prepared to give yourself the best chance of successfully negotiating that pay rise that you're looking for. Tip 1, know the numbers and be able to quote your billings against your target. So if you're generating a positive ROI in line with or exceeding your own personal targets, then you're in a strong negotiating position. Tip number 2, bring your performance review for the previous year to your salary meeting. If you can demonstrate that you've achieved the development points which you have set, again, you're in a strong position to justify an increase in responsibility and also therefore salary. Tip number 3, be able to reference your value in the market. It's important to know what competing law firms would pay for your role, so you can use the Beacon Legal Salary and Market Report to find out this information. In the meeting, do try and avoid referencing salaries of colleagues within your firm, as this is going to come across poorly. Tip number 4, so this may sound obvious, but don't come across as threatening. It may be that you're prepared to leave your current job if you don't get the extra money which you want, but there's probably no value in saying that to your boss, and especially in the first meeting. This tactic is likely to come across as a threat, which won't do you any favours, it's not going to be beneficial, and it's not going to achieve the result which you want. Tip number 5, if it doesn't go your way, try and stay calm. So it's very easy to feel aggrieved and upset when you're talking about your own salary. So instead, try to express your thoughts in a professional manner and ask for some explanation from the partner. We recommend you then go away and have a think through their reasonings before you come back and ask for another discussion. This is going to give you some time to consider their reasons and also allow you to approach the situation factually rather than emotionally. So final tip, tip number 6, be prepared for the answer to be a definitive no. So if the partner turns you down and there's no chance of a raise at this point in time, that doesn't have to be the end of the discussion. You could ask if they'd be willing to reassess in 6 months' time and try to align this review with you achieving certain targets so you know exactly what you need to do. If you'd like personal advice to help negotiate your salary or to discuss your own market rate, please do get in touch using these contact details. Thanks for listening.